Hey folks, Scott Brandt here with MotoeXotica. Check out this latest motocast on one of the coolest cars we just got in inventory. Stay tuned for more details.
Sound starts to put in you. You will not let me down. No need to be afraid. No one can bring me down. They are after me. You'll know you'll be around too. And then the walls cave in, and the night comes down, and the watchful eye, it don't make no sound as the blade sinks in, and you hit the ground. Out. They do not belong. They try to bring me down. You know who they are, so keep me safe and sound. I put my trust in you. I know you will not let me. And then the eye sinks in.
Hey, thanks for watching. We always have a good time here at MotoeXotica. Hope you will too. Now, be sure to like us and share us and do whatever you do on all those social media platforms. We're on all of them. So, thanks again and get out and drive.
MotoeXotica.com